Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's see what are the cards. We have Five of Pentacles, World in reverse, and Three of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Libras, in your life, in your personal life or in your work, you see things going against your expectations and something is not right, something is missing maybe. You may see your situation moving in a negative way, some kind of troubles, misunderstandings in love, or things are going in a negative way in your work situation. And I also see that you are feeling stuck. You don't know what to do today, guys. Maybe you have a lot of confusions when you're making some important decisions for yourself in your work, or it may be important decisions in your relationship. You have a lot of confusion. You feel that you cannot trust this person. You want marriage with them, you want engagement with this person, but you feel that you have not reached that stage, maybe that beautiful understanding you both do not have. So some misunderstandings are there in this relationship, in this love. So you are waiting now. You are waiting to make the right choice today, guys. You feel stuck. And maybe for some of you, you feel that this person is not showing any interest like you. Maybe they are, that may be their way of handling any situation. You are enthusiastic, cheerful, but they are not cheerful, they are not showing their interest, and that may be the reason for troubles in your love, guys. So they are hiding something. Maybe they want time to come to clarity, or they just want to, what to say, take this relationship casually, guys. That again may be the reason for their attitude today. And you do not like their attitude, the way they handle uh, this situation, this love. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. And also in your situation, guys, there is some kind of a surprise waiting for you, guys. Maybe this person may come around, they may surprise you with an engagement proposal or something. So something is happening, going to sweep off your feet today, guys, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, first you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's start the reading after a few seconds, and I'll be starting with this card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this first card. Let's see what it is. Greet the dawn. Such a beautiful card here, guys. And the meaning of this card, maybe in your situation, you are inviting something new. It may be a new beginning, a new love, or an opportunity coming your way. And every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys. Start with that clean slate. So, whatever that has happened yesterday, we are given a chance to do things differently today, and that is in our hands. And a new day invites us with that inner light of love and beauty. So, if we accept that invitation and radiate beauty and happiness to the surroundings around us, it will touch the lives of people around us, and it will give them warmth and the change the way the things are going in your situation and in their life, guys. So you don't have to take on the world, you just have to do your best. Simply do the things that you love to do. Do not force anything to happen, and let your day to flow as it should, guys, with that sense of gratitude in your heart and acceptance towards the gifts and challenges that day is bringing to you. So that is what this card means, guys. So in your situation today, guys, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to get someone new. And if you are hurt in the past, this is the time for you to let go of all that and move towards a fresh start in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the poison apple, jealousy. So in your situation today, guys, for those who chose this card, there are few offers tempting you, really being offered to you or in your situation, but you should think about it again and again. Think it with clarity before you take up that apple. It may be poison, guys, so you have to be really careful. And you need to understand that even if you have made that choice, you need not fear that choice, guys, because you will recover. And the pain you go through in this situation because you have accepted some kind of a temptation in your situation, it is going to gift you with that experience, and you are going to get that true insight and clarity in your life and in your relationship. And also, you are someone who is the target of jealousy in your situation. People really around you are really jealous of you of some things, guys. Maybe your talents, your skills, your beauty, or your life. So they are jealous, and they are not to be trusted. You have to be really careful. Even if you know someone for a long time now, and even if they are your true friend, if there are some choices involved with them or they are pushing you towards something, you have to think it through, guys. Think for yourself. This is the time to be skeptical, and you cannot trust anyone in this present circumstance. That is what I would say with this card. So you have to be really careful when you're making important decisions in your life today, in your relationship today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.